Step into the world of digital marketing, a place where businesses thrive and entrepreneurs flourish. This realm of boundless possibilities is where the art of persuasion meets cutting-edge technology. In today's digital age, marketing has transcended traditional boundaries, enabling businesses to reach audiences globally with just a click. It's an arena where creativity, strategy, and technology intertwine, fostering growth and shaping the future of business. Now it's time to dive into the top 10 strategies that truly work. First up, social media marketing, an essential tool in your digital marketing arsenal. It's all about leveraging platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more to connect with your audience. Think of it as a digital cocktail party. You're mingling, networking, sharing valuable content, and building relationships. It's not just about selling. It's about engaging, starting conversations, and fostering a community around your brand. By doing so, you can increase brand awareness, boost sales, and drive website traffic. Harness the power of social media to reach a global audience. Next, content marketing, the art of storytelling for your brand. This strategy involves creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. It's a long-term strategy that focuses on building a strong relationship with your audience by providing them with high-quality content that is very relevant to them on a consistent basis. This isn't about pitching your products or services, but about giving your audience something that enriches their lives. In the digital world, remember, content is king. Strategy number 3, SEO or search engine optimization. Let's break it down. Imagine you're a librarian, but for the World Wide Web. SEO is the system that you'd use to categorize and find every book in your vast library. In essence, it's what search engines like Google use to sift through the billions of websites out there to find the ones that are most relevant to users' queries. So, when you optimize your website for search engines, you're essentially making it easier for them to find you, thereby driving more organic traffic to your site. Optimize your website for search engines and watch your traffic soar. Next, we have email marketing. A powerful strategy. Email marketing is more than just sending out newsletters. It's about creating personalized, relevant content that your customers want to read. It fosters a strong bond, maintaining a relationship with your customers long after their initial purchase. Make email marketing your secret weapon for customer retention. Halfway through, at number 5, we have pay-per-click or PPC. This is a powerful tool where you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's like a shortcut to the top of search results, driving traffic and increasing sales rapidly. Invest in PPC and get an instant boost in traffic and sales. Next up, affiliate marketing, a performance-based strategy. This method involves partnering with individuals or companies, known as affiliates, who promote your products to their audience. For every sale made through their unique referral link, they earn a commission. This way, you can increase sales by leveraging the audiences of others. Leverage the power of affiliate marketing for win-win partnerships. At number 7, we have influencer marketing. This strategy leverages the power of popular individuals who have amassed a large following on social media. By partnering with these influencers, brands can tap into their audience, gaining visibility and credibility. It's a potent way to extend your reach and make a deep connection with potential customers. Influence the influencers and let them do the talking for your brand. Moving on, we have mobile marketing. In this smartphone era, it's vital to tap into the power of mobile marketing. It's like a virtual handshake, establishing a personal connection with your potential customers. With mobile marketing, you're accessible anytime, anywhere. Go mobile and meet your customers where they are. Next in line, video marketing, the future of content. As we live in an age where visual content reigns supreme, video marketing has become a powerful tool. It captivates audiences, invites engagement, and has the ability to convey a brand story in an entertaining and relatable way. Embrace video marketing and let your brand story unfold visually. Last but not least, analytics and reporting. This is where the magic happens, folks. In digital marketing, it's not enough to just implement strategies. You need to measure their performance too. How else will you know what's working and what's not? That's where analytics and reporting come into play. They provide you with valuable insights about your audience, campaign performance, and much more. These insights help you to tweak and optimize your strategies for better results. And that's the beauty of digital marketing. It's a constant cycle of learning and improving. Analyze, report, optimize, and repeat. Now that we've explored the top 10 digital marketing strategies, it's time to put them into action. From social media and content marketing to SEO and email outreach, these tactics play a pivotal role in reaching your audience. Pay-per-click, affiliate, influencer, mobile, and video marketing are equally essential, as is the power of analytics and reporting. All these strategies, when executed well, can significantly increase your revenue. Remember, effective digital marketing strategies are your key to unlocking exponential revenue growth. If you are ready to experience the future of AI influencer marketing, you can sign up for a free trial or schedule a live demo with us to learn how Moip can boost your sales.